We are assembling the Lucky Truck Slimline box card. Okay, so we have two pieces that have clovers on them. These are your inserts. We have these two pieces here. These are the front and the back. The front is this one here with the tab on the right hand side, and this one is the back. So I'm going to start by putting on, I've already glued these two pieces together, and this is for the sentiment on the back, and it's optional. You don't have to add that piece if you don't want it. This here is the front of the card, and so we have this grill. To add. I'm just going to dab some small dots of glue. Okay, you can fold that on the score lines if you would like, and then we're done with that piece for now. Now let's move down the front of a card. And we can start, well, let's start with this. So there is a small square in here, and that is for the door handle. I've made mine black. You can do it silver or any other color you would like. Or if you don't want to use that, you don't have to use it at all. I need to grab out my ink. I'm just using this bright blue. Of course, it doesn't quite show up that way. I just want to, because this door is the same color, I want to highlight it so that it stands out. And I'm going to go ahead and fold these just so that I know where the front and the back are. And I'm going to start by putting this piece down because that will help me line up the door correctly. And I think I want my wheels on top. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and glue this into place. And that just lines up there across the bottom, like so. Okay. And now I can put my door on, and it's just going to lay right against this bottom runner that I put on. Just like that. Then that helps you see where this small piece goes, and this is the windshield. So it's just gonna fit right here where the hood comes. And if you don't want to add this piece, you don't have to. Just going to go right there. And then we're going to put the window to the door right there. And the short one here goes on the back. Our wheels are made up of these 4 pieces. Okay. And I think I'm going to pop these. And I want to make sure that my clovers are standing up and down. I don't have to, but I want mine to. Okay, just like that. Now we have these 2 odd-shaped pieces, and I'm gonna just lightly hit the edges of these so that they stand out a little bit. Again, because the truck is all the same color. So I want to add a little bit of shading so that you can tell the difference in the 2. Just give it a little more pop. The smaller one goes to the red, and the big one goes on the white. And these, so I'm going to fold that back so I don't so one is the headlight and one is the tail light. And I do still have a small piece of foam tape here, so I think I am going to pop these. You just have to make sure that your foam tape is not hanging over the part you're going to hang over the front, because these are designed to kind of hang over the front just a little, the front and the back. So that's your headlight and your tail light, like so. There. So now that's done, we can set that aside and we can bring our inside pieces here. I think they're all the same size. I'm just going to double check. They are. But 2 of the clovers do go opposite each other. And you can pop these if you want, or just leave them flat. It's up to you. I think I'm going to go ahead and pop them. And I think since I'm going to do that, I'm going to wait to put these on. Whoops. Because it will make putting them inside the card a little more difficult. Okay, so right now I'm going to attach the front and the back of the card just on one side. If you feel like you want the wood panel here for the back, just cut a second one of those. Put it on. You want to fold your tabs, and then again, like I do with all my box cards, we're going to glue the tabs. I'm going to have it open. I'm going to stand this up inside, and I'm gluing it here. You can see that even. Okay. There. Now our inside tab is on this side, so we're just going to reach this over and glue it like that, okay? So I'm going to put glue on these tabs. Okay. Add some glue to this tab. Right in there, fold it both ways, and now I'm going to put my clovers inside. And this is a Slimline, so this one is almost 9 inches long. Not folded, it's 7.5 inches long, but then when we fold it shut, it's just right at 9 inches, 9.25 if we take in that tail light. And so this fits in a Slimline envelope. And there is the Lucky Truck. Thank you for joining me.